Antigua and Barbuda's Prime Minister said his country would enhance its relationship with China across several areas. Prime Minister Gierston sat down for an interview with Shunhwa following his official visit to China in January this year.
We've had a very successful visit to China in which we would have signed up to 10 cooperation agreements in various areas of our development. And we believe as a result of the execution of those agreements that we will be enhancing and strengthening, broadening the bilateral relationship between Antigua and Barbuda and the People's Republic of China.
Antigua and Barbuda is an island country in the Eastern Caribbean with a population of more than 100,000. It's one of the first countries in the Eastern Caribbean to establish diplomatic ties with China.
Antigua and Barbuda and the People's Republic of China have enjoyed very strong diplomatic relations for the last 41 years. China has demonstrated that notwithstanding the asymmetries in size and power and resources between Antigua and Barbuda and the PRC, that they have exercised full respect and have treated us with the type of respect that we have not seen in other relationships. And I believe that that type of respect and mutual trust would have built the relationship over the last 41 years.
Brownie said that over the years, the cooperative relations between Antigua and Barbuda and China have developed steadily in infrastructure, economic and trade investment, people-to-people exchanges, agriculture, and climate change. Antigua and Barbuda is the first country in the Eastern Caribbean to sign a memorandum of understanding with China on the Belt and Road Initiative.
Helping us to build out our socio-economic infrastructure. But you can see that under the Belt and Road Initiative and the Global Development Initiative that the PRC has been delivering tangible benefits to developing countries globally. And from that standpoint, we are thankful and we're certainly grateful.
Antigua and Barbuda has a pleasant climate, rich tourism resources, and many high-quality beaches. Brownie welcomed Chinese tourists to travel to his country. At present, Antigua and Barbuda and China have mutually exempt visa policies.